Hi everyone, welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use the SUMIF function in Excel to calculate totals based on a single condition. So here in this data, you can see that I have the dates, salesperson, region, product, unit sold, and the sales amount. And if we want to get the sum of the sales as per different factors such as the salesperson, region and product, I have a subtable on the right in which first I will develop the drop down list and then I will apply the SUMIF function to calculate the sum based on a single criteria. So here in this cell I will create the drop down button. For this purpose I'll go to the data tab and then I will click on this data validation. Here I will select the list and in the source I will type the names of the salesperson. So I have three salesperson that are Ali, Sarah and Ahmed. So I have typed the name of the salesperson, separated with commas and then click OK. So this will create the list of the salesperson. Now I can switch between these different salesperson using this drop down button. Similarly, for the region, again I'll go to this cell, I'll go to the data validation, I'll select the list and in the source I will type different regions that are north, south, east, west. After writing these names, I'll just click OK. Now I can choose from them. And similarly for the product, I will again go to the data validation, choose the list and here I will type the products that are laptop, mobile and tablet and just click OK. Now to apply the SUMIF function here in the cell, I will type equal SUMIF. And if we look at the syntax of the SUMIF function, first thing that we need to select is the range. So the range is actually on which basis we want to calculate. So we are calculating it on the basis of the salesperson. So I'm going to select the names of all the salesperson. After this, I'll put comma and for the criteria, I'll select the name of the specific salesperson that is written in this I3 cell. So I'll select this cell. Again, I will put comma and next I need to select the sum range. So the sum range is the sales amount in the parent table. So I have selected all the sales amount. After this, I'm going to close the parenthesis and hit enter. So now I have calculated the sales amount for this salesperson. If I use this drop down button and switch to the next salesperson, my sales amount is automatically calculated in this cell. The similar thing can be done for the region. Again, I will write equal SUMIF and this time I will select the regions column. After this, I will put comma. For criteria, I will select this criteria cell, comma. Next, I need to select the sales amount from the parent table and close the parenthesis and hit enter. And for the product specific, again I will write equal SUMIF. This time I will select the list of the products that is given in this T column. After this, for the criteria, I will select this I5 cell and then I will select the sum range that is present in this F column. I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to KnowHow for more Excel formulas, tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.